going to ask counsel, I know who you all are, but there are a number of people in the gallery, and I think if you speak, while most people in this room know who is present, who will appear, just for the record, Mr. Harris, you start, introduce anyone at the table that you would like to introduce, and I'll go recording.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Bert Harris with the firm of Swain & Harris. With me is Danielle Brewer, an attorney in my firm, our firm, and Vanessa, who is chairman of the Hardy IDA. Bill Lambert, co-plaintiff, sits on the front row as well.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Henry Coleman. I'm a defendant in this case.
Donald Samuels, a defendant in this case.
Dan Gerber on behalf of Clifton Larson Allen.
Robert Peterbaugh, attorney from Lakeland, Florida, representing Kerosene, with my partner Steve Sand.
May it please the court that we bring before Your Honor consideration of Plaintiff Lambert's motion for summary judgment. We have in the motion cited the authorities we rely upon. May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes.
As well as the facts we rely upon. I will not reiterate each and every one of those. The primary issue is found on page 6 of the motion in the argument section, right in the middle of the page, where we point out that the records custodian under Chapter 119 is required to respond to a public records request. That is not Bill Lambert. The IDA has a separate public records custodian designated by the laws of Florida, Section 159.45. Cited in the motion, a copy is produced. The law makes clear that Mr. Lambert is not the public records custodian and is therefore not the one that would be producing the records in this case, comma, if any, if you find, and that of course begs the question of the conflict between the two statutes. Mr. Lambert was included in this litigation initially because of the claims made by the state attorney. We believe those claims to be withdrawn with respect to Mr. Lambert at this time. So we ask and we believe it is germane and appropriate to grant summary judgment dismissing Mr. Lambert, finding that he is not the records custodian. We've given you the law to that extent, and I will reserve a little time to respond to any argument made by the defendant. I would also note that no defendant has filed any objection to the motion or any affidavits objecting. You have affidavits of Mr. Lambert and the public records custodian attached to the motion. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, thank you. Mr. Coleman, back to you.
No comment.
Mr. Gerber, Mr. Sen, Mr. Peterbaugh.
Nothing, sir.
No comment, Your Honor.
On review of the motion, applicable case and statutory authority, motion granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I submit an order?
Yes, sir.